The next topic of that is cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall present only in plant cell. It is present only in plant cell. The first time it was observed by the Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke ने जो cell find out की actually it was only cell wall. That was only cell wall. It is rigid. It is rigid, semi-elastic, sometimes elastic, but not always. Semi-elastic structure. It is present outside the plasma lemma in plant cell or plasma membrane outside the plasma membrane in plant cell, but in animal cell that cell wall is of not present. If we see in animal cell, cell wall is absent. That cell wall is made up of, especially in bacteria, that is a peptidoglycan. Cell wall, bacterial cell wall is made up from peptidoglycan. Cell wall of fungi, that is made up from chitin, and cell wall of higher plants, that is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, or pectin. These are the different types of chemicals from which the cell wall of higher plant is made. If we see that types of cell wall is of mainly three types. First one is of middle lamella. Second one is the primary cell wall. Second one is of secondary cell wall. Middle lamella, it is the parts, or it is the cell wall which is present between the two cells. It is present between two cells. This is middle lamella. It is present between two cells and work as a cementing layer, amorphous membrane, which work as a cementing layer and help in the joining of two different cells. It is the cementing layer of two different cells. Suppose these are the two cells joined together. This one is the another cells. These all cells jointed with the help of middle lamella. This is the main first membrane, and it is made up from calcium and magnesium pectate. It is made up from calcium and magnesium pectate. That if you see, the unripe fruit is hard, but ripe fruit is pulpy. Because in ripe fruit, that middle lamella will dissolve, but not in unripe fruit. So at the ripening of fruits, that middle lamella will dissolve due to this middle lamella dissolve, due to which the fruits become pulpy. Otherwise, that unripe fruit is tight or rigid. That next cell wall is of primary cell wall. It is first formed cell wall which is deposited by the protoplasm on the middle lamella. It is first formed cell wall which is deposited by the प्रोटोप्लास्ट। प्रोटोप्लास्ट के थ्रू डिपोजिट होती है और फर्स्ट फॉर्म हियर दिस इज द प्रोटोप्लास्ट, इसके थ्रू डिपोजिशन होता है यहाँ पे। दिस इज फर्स्ट फॉर्म सेल वॉल एंड बोथ द साइड इट विल बी डिपोजिटेड this is the primary cell wall. It is made up from hemicellulose or other substance. This is primary cell wall, which is first formed walls and deposited inside the मिडिल लेविला। मिडिल लेविला के अंदर की तरफ जो डिपोजिशन होती है इट इज मेड अप फ्रॉम हेमिसेल्यूलोज, लिग्निन, पेप्टिक सब्सटेंस एक्सेट्रा। दिस इज फाउंड बाय द साइटोप्लाज्म। साइटोप्लाज्म के थ्रू यहाँ डिपोजिट हो रही है अंदर की तरफ, साइटोप्लाज्म के थ्रू इधर, तो दैट इज योर प्राइमरी सेल वॉल। एंड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल विच इज डिपोजिटेड ओवर द प्राइमरी सेल वॉल। प्राइमरी सेल वॉल के ऊपर जो नेक्स्ट वॉल बनती है वो क्या कहलाती है? दैट इज ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल। दिस इज द सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल। यू कैन से दिस वन इज ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल व्हिच इज डिपोजिटेड अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट। प्रोटोप्लास्ट के थ्रू ये बनेगी। इस तरफ भी देखिए अपन तो इनसाइड द सेल दिस इज द secondary cell wall which is deposited over the primary cell wall. Primary cell wall के ऊपर जो डिपोजिट होती है that is of secondary cell wall. Sometimes it is made from cellulose or other substance. But we see in the parenchymatous cells only primary cell wall is there. But in collenchymatous and sclerenchymatous cell that secondary wall is also there. These are the different. Sometimes one more cell wall is there which is present inside the secondary cell wall, that is of tertiary wall. Otherwise normally primary and secondary cell wall present. If we see the main function of cell wall, what is the function of cell wall? It provides the cell function, provide save to save. It help in protection of cell. सेल को प्रोटेक्ट करती है, सेल प्रोवाइड करती है। नॉर्मली दैट सेल वॉल इज ऑफ permeable membrane. It is of permeable membrane which allow all the substance from inside to outside and outside to inside. So it is of permeable of transparent membrane, semi-transparent membrane. So it is help in the mainly protection and provide rigidity to the plants, provide rigidity to plant cells. Next is of endomembrane system. Inside the plasma membrane or inside the plasma lemma, different cell organelles connected with each other and coordinate with the different function of the cells, and all these cell organelles is known as endomembrane system, which include, that is of ER. Endomembrane system includes ER, Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, nuclear envelope, plasma membrane or plasma lemma. Their function is coordinated or connected with each other, or these all organelles or cell organelles connected with the other. That's why these are known as endomembrane system. But some other cell organelles, just like mitochondria, chloroplasts, they are not directly connected, so they are not included in this endomembrane system. First of all, we studied that endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. ER, we can say in short, that is of ER. It was first time observed by Porter and Thomson. Porter et al. In 1945 and Thomson in 1945. Both the scientists discovered differently in 1945, and after that in 1953 the term endoplasmic reticulum given by the Porter. The term endoplasmic reticulum given by the Porter. Normally the ER present in all cells except RBC. It is absent in RBC. And ER normally absent in RBC cells, otherwise it is present in the all type of cells. Endoplasmic reticulum is made up of three types of elements. These are cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Cisternae, it is made up from three types of elements, that is of cisternae, tubules and vesicles. The cisternae are plate structures. These are plate sac-like structures like this, and they are joined with the nuclear membrane also. Suppose this is the nucleus. This is of nucleus. It is joined with the outer membrane of nucleus. Outer membrane of nucleus, and continues with the plasma lemma. Continues with plasma lemma. This is the cisternae. These are the plate structure. Cisternae, these are the plate structure, and normally these are present then having abundant of different micromolecules. बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के इनमें components होते हैं. Second type of जो tubules, these are branched tube-like structure, which is branched or unbranched. Tube-like structure that may be branched or unbranched structures. That is known as tubules. And third type of, that is of vesicles, these small spherical structures known as vesicles. So these three types of elements present in the ER, that plate elongated structure which is known as cisternae, small tube-like branched and unbranched structure that is of vesicles, and tubules, and small circular spherical structure that is of vesicles. Again, that ER is differentiated into two types according to the presence and absence of ribosomes. According to presents in absence of ribosome, that ER is of two types. One is of SER means smooth, ER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The type of reticulum which do not have ribosome means ribosome absent on the surface of ER, that is known as smooth ER. And smooth ER contain different macromolecules also, and this type of ER present in the which cells that is engaged with the synthesis of different types of hormones, enzymes, steroids and other things. तो जो हार्मोन्स है, एंजाइम्स है, उन हार्मोन्स और एंजाइम सिंथेसिस से रिलेटेड सेल्स होती है, उनमें एसईआर स्पेशलाइज्ड होता है. एसईआर normally 50 to 200 in diameter and especially help in the metabolism of, it engages in the metabolism of lipid metabolism and steroids, lipid metabolism, steroid metabolism, carbohydrates and vitamins. Especially these are present, it is present in these cells which is engaged with lipids, steroids, carbohydrates, vitamins and enzymes, etc. Just like intestinal cells, adrenal cells, absorptive cells, ग्लाइकोजन मेटाबोलाइटिंग सेल्स, उनके अंदर ये अबंडेंटली प्रेजेंट होता है. अनदर टाइप ऑफ ER is of RER means rough ER. It is rough due to presence of ribosomes. राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से ये क्या होता है, रफ होता है. यानी ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ राइबोसोम इट्स सरफेस इज ऑफ रफ एंड रफ ER स्पेशली प्रेजेंट इन विच सेल्स दैट एंगेज विद द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. Protein synthesis. Now, main function of ribosome we all know it is known as a protein factory. Ribosome is known as protein factory, and these ER provide the surface. ER provide the surface to ribosome that help in the protein synthesis. So that's why RER present with cells that engage with the प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस से एंगेज होती है, उनके अंदर ये राइबोसोम अबंडेंटली प्रेजेंट होता है. If you see the function, different function of the ER or endoplasmic reticulum, the function of ER is of it provides mechanical support, mechanical support to the cells. It is also found endoskeletal system. Due to and from the endoskeletal system, it provides mechanical support. Second, help in internal transportation. Help in internal transportation. Whenever inside, if you see inside the cell, this is nucleus and this is the cell. From here to here, transportation is required. Fast transportation is required. That time it will be moved through the ER, and through ER, internal transportation will be fast. It form membranes of different cell organelles. न्यू सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स जो बनते हैं उनकी मेम्ब्रेन फॉर्मेशन भी इसका फंक्शन होता है. हेल्प इन फैट सिंथेसिस, फैट एंड लिपिड स्टेरॉइड सिंथेसिस, हेल्प इन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, provide surface to the different types of metabolic activity. Provide surface to different metabolic activity. अलग अलग तरह की जितनी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी होती है उनमें सरफेस प्रोवाइड करता है. हेल्प इन स्टोरेज ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल, स्टोरेज में भी ये हेल्प करता है. एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन दैट इज ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन different types of toxins also remove with the help of this endoplasmic reticulum. Detoxification, it also formation of the like lipid, steroids, enzymes and other chemicals. So mainly the function of these these are the main function of endoplasmic reticulum.